how to change a fuse in a standard UK plug. So here we have a standard UK plug. All we need to do is undo the screws. And at the back here you'll see the fuse to the right hand side here. Now sometimes they're very hard to pull out, as you can see, and it will start to pull out the extra metal bit it's connected to. Don't worry, it's easy to go back in. The easiest way to get it out, rather than using your fingers, is to get a flat-headed screwdriver behind the fuse and prise it out. Then use your fingers to give it the final pull. See the metal bit stuck out? Don't worry, that'll easily go back in a moment. Then you want to find the same ampage of fuse that you took out of the plug. So this is a 13 amp, so I'll need a 13 amp to replace. Then all you need to do is put that little bit of metal back into the slot and then simply push the fuse into that metal slot. It just pops straight in. Now we need to put the cover back on, and what will happen here normally is that this little plastic sleeve around the wire sometimes drops off and you won't be able to retighten the screws. So what I always recommend is to actually put that plastic bit on first and nip the screws up ever so slightly into the plastic. Then turn it round and put the rest of the screws into the plug. And you don't want any gaps around the edge, and you'll have successfully changed a fuse in a standard UK plug. Now if your plug doesn't look like this, a standard UK plug, and it looks like this one, I do have a separate video on how to change that. Super simple, and I'll link to that at the end or here in the top of the card now. Also in the description below. If this video helps you change a fuse in a standard UK plug with a removable cover, hit the subscribe button as we do videos like this one every week.